A little bit, yeah.
Okay, good. They're
In Korea, when I got the pizza from Domino's, it had like sweet potato.
Yes,
and, like, it was like the sweetest pizza I ever had. Or even the sauce.
Yeah, I know. I'm just like,
oh my god.
It was so funny. I think I still got him on Instagram. He was like very well known, like in Uruguay. I
Oh.
was like, look at you. Yeah.
Maybe we should bring these with us so we could like.
Oh yeah.
Do they charge for bags here?
I think they do. So what was that?
Yeah, just for like.
That's fine.
We should like put some Spanish music on it.
Oh, that's right. Oh my god. Oh.